so clean, man. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today I am currently in traffic for a little bit. The line was way longer than this, but we are at Caffeine in Octane, Atlanta, which is down here in Kennesaw. I hope this is the parking area, by the way. So I seen a bunch of other cars come through here, but I'm pretty sure they're probably in line for show cars. I hope this is parking because I also see some people leaving here. But yeah, I'm gonna get parked up and then we're gonna send a bunch of cars together. Let's do it. All right, so we are parked up and almost got hit. Well, not almost got hit, but we almost ran into each other. One of the cars that I do want, the Supra. Oh my gosh, this looks so clean. The red with the carbon fibers, big old wing. Right next to an Imposki. Very nice, very nice. Oh my gosh, this bike is so clean. Jeez. My goodness, the things I do to have me a Viper. Oh my gosh. It's crazy that you was able to get these cars. But now, yeah, good luck, buddy. Good luck.
Yeah, make it 30 grand for
Mero 392, very nice. Oh my gosh, big booty Mustang right here. Look at them hips. Look at them hips. Very nice with the white wheels on blue. Oh yeah. All right, so we finally made it, and my gosh, I wish I bought me a hat. We got a bunch of motorcycles over here. Bunch of motorcycles. I'm actually interested in getting a motorcycle. Probably just gonna give me a Ninja 400. Yeah, very nice motorcycles. I don't know too much about them to really give any commentary on them. Yeah, very nice. I do know about that BMW RR though, that double R. I do know about that though. Yeah, very nice bikes, very nice bikes. We're just gonna make our way. My God, boy, that sun is hitting, boy. Jeez, I wish I bought me a hat. Yeah, GTR. This is actually my second time ever seeing a GTR, by the way. Got it with teeth on it, little butt teeth on it. What the? Oh my gosh, that's so clean. Oh. Wait, is that it? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Nah. It's very nice. Oh, I'm not tripping. Okay, yeah. Guess I wasn't tripping. Okay, yeah, I wasn't tripping. So, yeah. The Dorito. Very nice, very nice. Happy endings. Hold up. What do you mean, happy endings? The Sakura pedals in the Mustang? That's actually pretty good. I ain't gonna That's actually not that bad. Kinga? Kinga, what you doing over there, Kinga? Hey, okay. Got a C8 and a C6 with the chameleon wrap. Very crazy. It's definitely out there. Hey, nice nonetheless. You even got the seats too. How do you do that? The whole thing? How do you do that? Okay. Got a McLaren. Oh my gosh. This is my first time ever seeing a McLaren. I'm pretty sure this is my first time ever seeing a Camaro. McLaren. 600 LT. Okay. Oh, that one got the little daily driven? Hold on, what? Daily driven ATL? You got one ATL? McLaren. That's nice. All right, we're gonna get to that side, but we ain't gonna skip past this Porsche though. Hold on. McLaren, nice, but we gotta give tips to the Porsches too. Ooh, it's nice. Recaro seats. Oh yeah. know you know. It's R2. Yes, it's fast. No, you can't drive it. Oh yeah? I believe it. Hard. Huh. I didn't see this like a motherfucker. Big ass damn Cybertruck. Look, just to put on a scale, I don't think anybody has like if you like you've seen this already. Like big ass fucking Cybertruck. Shit big as hell. Okay, so we can come to the other side to see the other McLarens. SUV. There's another info ski. Info competition. Gotta at the competition. It's a competition. Gotta say it just like that. Is it? There's frozen black on here. Oh my gosh. Black on black. Red interior with the bucket seats. Yes, sir. Very nice. This sun is hitting. I am sweating. Hold on. Let's see how much I'm sweating, bro. Look at this. Can y'all see it? My gosh, I'm sweating. I ain't bring no rag with me, no towel, no nothing. I'm sweating. Ooh. Got us a Lotus here. I don't know what model this is. The only Lotus I know is the Elise, and that's from just playing Need for Speed. But that's the beginner car you get. What Lotus is this? Evora. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Lotus will always have a special place in my heart, even though I only knew it the Elise. Oh no, you good. Porsches. Very nice. Very nice. Oh my gosh, this color is amazing. Jeez, this color is amazing. Purple with yellow interior. Okay. Over here, they got the Lakers car. Oh my gosh. This green is amazing. Turbo S in this. What even type of red is this? It's like a red with like a mixture of like pink. Body right here. Aston Martin. The British is out here. LC 500. Oh my gosh. Oh, this. Wait. Hey, how you get the wagon over here? Wait, what? Wait. How did he get the wagon? How did he? Okay, I ain't even gonna question it. R8. But nah, let's get the LC 500. Look dirty, but looks nice. Oh my gosh, looks nice. That's another fucking Lego truck over here. Another Lego truck. So that's a total of 5 Cybertrucks I've seen so far. Lovely GTR. Can't go wrong with it. Cannot go wrong with it. Boom. Lamborghinis. Love that purple on there. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. GTR. I love this red. That's nice. C8. More Lamborghinis right here. I want to make my way back to these McLarens. Like if there's 2 supercars, like my first supercar if I had to choose, and this is between an R8 or McLaren. The only thing is with the McLaren lineup, most people say to skip the 570S because it has way too many problems. But that means you have to spend extra if you want to go like 720. It's just like yeah, these are very nice. I just like how sleek they look. Actual alien spaceship. Like literally, look at this. Like you can't tell me an alien did not make this car. Like, bro, you cannot tell me aliens did not make these cars, bro. Like, come on. But yeah, that's the only problem with like one of the McLaren that's like the first supercar because you gotta skip the 570. All right, let's make our way over. Yeah, I'm on the wrong side here. Not really. To Jeeps and whatnot. Ooh, a 400Z. First time seeing this. Very nice. Very nice. I'm not gonna hold. It looks good in person. Like I don't know, like the pictures online, I feel like it doesn't really does it justice. This is actually nice. Why does he have? Wait, hold on. M Performance. That's BMW. Hold on, wait. Very nice. That's very nice. What do we have here? Oh, y'all thought I ain't see this? Oh, like this is literally the spec I would have this in. Maybe I probably won't go chrome because I'm not grown enough, I'm not mature enough to accept chrome over just blacking it out. Got carbon fiber, white interior. Oh my gosh. This, wait, now that I think about it, I think my dad had, well no, he doesn't have these same wheels, but it's from the same company on his Mustang. But oh my gosh, this looks so good. I am mesmerized by this.
You can see we got some amazing Jeeps here today. It is Jeep
this is so
July.
Good. This looks so good.
And we've got over 250
Look at this, bro.
amazing Jeeps here. We appreciate all of the Jeeps guys coming. And we've got a Jeep Bash up at the Caffeine and Octane
so good,
here
so good.
Raceway.
And at that S on there. Got an M3. Oh, this hard. I like this color. Empower. I see like that Empower. Excuse me. Appreciate it. So this is hard. Nice and amazing looking info. Love that color. M2 ski. This will look like it's the F series. You got the G series over there. I don't know, man. I like the previous gen. The good thing is, but the G series on the at the M4, these grills are growing on me. They are. I'm not gonna hold. They're growing on me. This color is amazing, by the way. This color is so nice. That is a nice color. FS. Yeah. Yeah, these colors are nice. These colors are really nice. Ooh. This is a lavender. This is like a lavender color. That's nice. Yeah, look at that wing. Sheesh. This is very nice. Very nice. Another Supra. Got the white carbon fiber fender. Carbon fiber on the side skirt. Big ass wing. Gotta have that big ass wing on there. Jeez. Super aggressive. What the fuck is that? Big ass dragonfly. Hold on. Whoa. 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 Said ain't so. Oh my god. Stop playing. Stop playing. Oh my goodness. Oh, sexy, yeah. You know you sexy. You know it. You know it. You don't even gotta say no. You know it. Hellcat red eye. Oh, Track Hawk. Supra. Alright, bet. Let's move on to the other side. Got the McCleasy. I really need an ND filter for this lens. I have one for my old lens, but not this lens yet. 720S. This the dream right here. This the dream right here. Oh my gosh. Titanium exhaust too. I'm revving as soon as I leave. GTR. Don't tell me. Oh no, this exposure is crazy actually. Jesus bright. Got the ISF. Oh my goodness. How did they get this? Hey, let me borrow it for a spin. Please. Very nice, very nice. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on right here? The actual Batmobile? Bro might be Batman. He might just be Batman. This purple. Got the little glitter on here. It's hard. Crummy, deep dish. Oh yeah, hard. Ooh. Got that, what's this? Rose gold, got that like champagne. This is nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, this looks crazy. See, Reaper. Check out the back seat. Shit, check out the back seat. Let's see. What the? Oh, nah. Bro got the nitrous. Yeah, I see why you got the name Reaper. My goodness. Hell Kizzy. All the Hell Kizzy, all the Hell Kizzies. Alright, let's move on. Oh my goodness. That's hard. Part next to this 765 LT. Wait, is that the Agile kit? Pretty sure you got the Agile kit over there. Let me see. Oh, it's hard too. 765, you hard, but like the info competition. This the Agile kit, right? It's hard. I like the gray on the bronze wheels. Like gold, they're not technically bronze, like goldish, more on the gold side. Yeah, it's hard. Got the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber on the side. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I'll probably get this in black, but the red makes the carbon pop out. That's nice. Like you mean to tell me this parking? Like you sure you want to be in the show? You sure you want to be in the show? Oh my gosh! Got the bright seats. It's hard. Big ass wing. Gotta have the big ass wings. Wide body. Clean S2K. It's clean. It's so clean. It's big ass dragonfly over here. It's underneath. It's so hard. So hard. Oh my. What is these? What is these over here? Hold on. Whoa, hold on. Mustangs don't sound like that. I know that rev limiter anywhere. That's an ISF. Yup, that's an ISF. Of course it is. Ooh, come on now. Y'all know that limiter noise. Y'all know that limiter. This right here. Man. Boy, the things I would do to you. Respectfully. Applebee's. Two buses for free. No. JDM V8. Yep. Japanese Mustang right here. Japanese Mustang. So hard. We got ISFs over here. Hold on, let's go over here. Come on, man. Look at this. Take. Yep, take. Oh, hey there. Take. Oh, hello. Take. Oh, hello. Take. Hey, you thought you could have me? Take. Super take. So nice. So hard. If you static, you got it. Look at this. My goodness, brother man. No. You gotta be bagged. There's no shot. Nah, you got, bag. Yeah. No way. No shot. Absolutely no shot. Oh, this is so hard. Oh my interior to match too. 240 SX with the bright seats and a big ass wing. My gosh, amazing. Did I miss this or something? When did this get here? We got a whole teddy bear up there. Now, hold on. I spot a Batmobile.
You have a big wing on? I can't remember. Did you have a wing on it?
Jeez.
Liberty walk wide again?
So hard. DTR. What are these Recaro seats? My goodness. Look at this front splitter. My gosh.
I'm ready. So I'll head my body, man. I'm going there.
Can I get one frozen blank and a Cleasy, please? Just one? STO. Nice STO. That's hard. That's hard. Oh. Hold on. Yeah, like I can only see this car in orange, green, or yellow. Iron, nigga. I don't know. Yeah, all of them in the team. You got other Iron Man models in there. That's funny. One of these cars turned on. Hold on, is this a GT4?
Yeah. They look like a bunch of Porsche owners.
No way, I thought it was a GT4 for a second. GT3RS? Holy shit. First time seeing a GT3RS. My god. That is so hard. Let's get a close up on this McCleasy here. Look at this. Jeez, bro. The yellow interior. My goodness. This go hard. This goes so hard. Jeez. Unbelievably hard. Oh look. A Mark IV Supra. I see you. Yep. I already knew he's gonna do something. FBJ, please, bless our eardrums, please. All right, 7. Dorito, McCleasy.
Drive something. Hey, what car is this? Sorry, what car is this?
So actual spaceship. That is an alien spaceship. CEO Lords. This hard. AMG. Back to this Aventador over here. My goodness. Look at this interior. This interior is crazy. Like when I was smaller, my favorite colors was black and green. This is hard. Got the green calipers, frozen black. This looks amazing. So, shit, it might just be, brother. Might just be sad. 75MT, RAB. This orange one nice too. Oh, the M5 CS. Uh-oh. The BMW boy is gonna get me. The M5 CS. Alright. Too fast for you. It's so clean. To get all of that later RCF so clean. My God. So clean. I need it. I need it. I need it. Elevated RCF. It's hard. Follow my foot. Elevated RCF. It's so clean. Oh yeah. So clean, man. Oh my. Oh my gosh. It's so good. That's so good. And them prices ain't dropping on that RCF, but damn it, that just sound good. It may not be the fastest, but it sounds damn good. Among Us got an imposter here. I ain't gonna lie, dude look good though. Like seeing any color besides the silver just looks so off. It looks off. Like it just looks off. Like it is. Yeah, look at it. Like this looks off. Way back to the car. Another one, just chilling here in regular parking. See, like, okay, like you see the silver, yeah, boom, now. But the black and the red, it kind of saves it. It saves it. I'm not gonna hold. The black one there looks nice with the tinted. Shit look crazy. Hey, all right, a couple hours later, that is gonna be the end of the meet. The way how the car market is right now is absolutely insane for both new cars and used cars. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of options that I can go for that I don't mind settling with, because the two cars that I do want, which is the Supra and the RCF, trying to get that brand new, mad expensive. RCF, they talking about 75, damn near 80K for the spec that I want. The manual Supra, they asking for what, 60, 65, and that's not even dealing with the dealership markup as well. That's probably gonna add extra on there. I can get a like 2021 Supra used automatic for like 40, 45, and then like the cheapest RCF you gonna find on the used market is a 2015. That's going for 40 to 50,000. That has around like between 60 to like 80K miles, which I mean, it's a Lexus, so those miles don't really mean much, but it's like still, that's just like an ease of mind that it has lower miles. But yeah, the crazy thing is, like, the RCF is gonna hold fast at the price that is at for years to come. And then the Supra, of course the Supra is gonna go down in price, but it's gonna shoot back up because the Supras, they say it's gonna be done like 2026, 2027. So the price is gonna shoot back up again, even though that many people aren't even, according to them, ain't buying the Supra like that. But I mean, I thought it was just like an internet thing, but yeah, there is quite a bit of Supras out here. But yeah, hopefully I can get either or, and it's gonna be a lot easier to obtain a Supra with its lower price. But hey, I don't mind either or, to be honest. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of, is it Caffeine and Octane? Is it Octane and Caffeine? I have no idea. Is that my dad? Oh no, thought that was him. I put to be in my car and go meet up down there. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is my first time, well, not first time, this is my second time doing a car meet. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice one.